Welcome to Gautam's Photography. Today I will show you how to transform a photo from this to this using Lightroom Mobile app with just 4 simple steps. Let's get started and open the picture that you want to edit in Lightroom. The first step is to adjust the frame. So I want to crop this photo a little bit. And the second step would be go to the masking section and hit that plus icon and select subject. So once the subject is auto-selected, you have to increase your exposure a little bit, so that once you're satisfied with the exposure, you can stop pulling the screw. If you want to add contrast, you can, but I wanted to reduce the contrast a little bit. And highlights, if you want, you can add highlights a little bit, not too much, so that the photo will get overexposed. Shadows, maybe a little, up to 9. And then whites, I think whites is good to go, so. And blacks, yeah, a little bit of blacks. And the second thing would be color temperature. I want this photo to be a little orangish, so I'm moving the slider towards the plus. And a little bit of saturation. Sharpness I am not touching. And first masking step is done. So this is the before, this is the after. Again, go to the masking section, hit the plus button, select subject. Now what you will do is hit the invert button on the left side, which you can see on this bottom left side. You can increase the exposure if you want, so, or you can even decrease it, however you would like the final edit to be. So these are my settings. I want a little bit of highlights there as well, shadows, whites on the background, a little bit of the darkness. Here you can reduce the clarity and texture so that the background looks a little blurry. I am reducing the sharpness as well for the background. And hit the tick mark. So once these 2 steps are done, you can go to the color section, increase the temperature. I want this photo to be a little bit orangish. And then I'm adding some vibrance to this. And a saturation of +4. So after all this is done, go to the, you can add a little bit of vintage also, so that the more focus is on your subject than the background. On the color bit, you can also change a little, choose only the colors and change. So here I can see the red is over brightened, so I'm reducing saturation a little bit on the red one. And orange you can add and adjust as you like. Yellows I'm not touching, green, yes. And done. So this is your before picture, this is your after picture. Hope this was useful to you guys. See you soon on the next video. Bye.